All right, welcome back. Today, we're grilling chicken thighs. Bone in, you losers. Sheet pan. Ooh, that was cool. Ooh, coffee. Bone in chicken thighs. Pat them dry. Today's rubs are gonna consist of two. My favorite being the Traeger rub, along with Spiceology's Smoky Honey Habanero. In addition, we're gonna use Worcestershire sauce. I think that's how you say it. Let me know in the comments how the heck you pronounce this. And coat both sides. Now, time for the rub.